From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for July 3rd, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the USDJPY, the US dollar, versus the Japanese yen for today's trade analysis. Looking at the daily time frame, we see some interesting price action around a significant resistance. We're looking right around the orange zone, which is 110.70, 110.95. That's right here towards the top of the chart. You can see the last three attempts here finding resistance and having a difficult time breaking above 111, basically 110.95, 111, the top of the orange shaded area. If we can finally get it through there, of course we'll look for further movement higher, but just having such a difficult time getting through there. The pattern setup is more of an ascending pattern. It's an ascending triangle. If I just take a triangle shape and put it in here, you can see what I'm talking about. We'll just put it like that. You can see more of an ascending move to it. You see fairly flat or steady resistance highs along the top of the triangle, and you see rising lows along the bottom of the triangle. So more of an ascending pattern, which leads us to believe that maybe the buyers are in more control here of the situation than the sellers. Sellers tried to push it lower, found support, went back up, tried to push it lower, found support, went back up, tried to push it lower, buyers took back control. So the question is, will the buyers remain in control? Will it break through 110.95? Will the US dollar rebound and rally higher again? And we could see this go back higher again. Will the yen depreciate any? And we see this continue to go higher above 110.95. So it's an interesting area right around that orange zone and that 110.95.70 level. So we want to study our opportunities around there. Let's go ahead and zoom it in now. And again, you can see there's our three attempts here. We're on the third time. One time here, two times here, three times here. We're into that area. Two things are going to happen here. One of two things is going to happen here. Either it's going to finally break out above here and go higher, likely to the green shaded area as our next resistance, 111.40.65, or it's going to find too much resistance here. It's going to fall back down, at minimum go back down to the pink zone, or maybe even further down towards this blue zone down here, because that's closer to where that bottom of that triangle. If I just take a quick trend line like this and put it like that, you could see that that would be closer to the blue zone as your next potential support for the downside underneath the pink shaded area. So that's what we're looking for. Either it's going to go up or down from the orange shaded area. Let's go ahead and take it down to the 4-hour time frame and take a look at the price action over the past several hours. Really, since the beginning of the week, we could see it just stuck between 110.70 and 95. We see it rising into it late last week, Friday, and just been bouncing around in here. We do see a little bit of a bearish price movement here for the day today. So if that's going to take hold, of course, we look for the push underneath the orange shaded area. Any move underneath the orange zone, 110.70, we're looking for the continuation down to the pink zone. Of course, any move above the orange zone, 110.95, we look for the continuation towards the green zone at the very top of the chart. So really the breakout scenario is really what I think we need to look for today to give us confidence and direction. Right now, if we buy it, I think we're just guessing that it's going to continue to go higher. If we were to sell it, I think we're guessing that it's going to go lower without any real significant price action that implies that. So let's watch for that. Watch for the breakout setup above or below the orange shaded area today for the US yen.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.